Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp right here, asked me to place order for some of these links on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, and I decided to make a video about it without any stress and show you on how you can actually place an order on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app using your WeChat wallet balance. Let me show you how. The very first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and exit from my WhatsApp right here. And I'll go ahead and make sure I open up my Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app right here. So I'm going to go ahead and open my Pinduoduo. Have you opened up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app? It's going to load up like so. And then the next thing you want to do is to search for products from different store right here. There are so many ways by which you can use to search for products on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. One of the first easy way to search for products to go ahead and click on here, type the name of the product you are looking for, and you are going to see similar results. Alternatively, you can make use of this camera icon right here, which allow you to upload product picture sample, and you are going to see a similar result. After you have able to search for product, next thing you want to do is to add the product to cart. So the product of this particular person here has been already been added to cart. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to my cart. Just like so. For me to visit cart, I have to make sure I click on here to fill my cart on Pinduoduo. I'm going to click on here. So just like so. These are all the products right here. Okay, so I'm going to pay for this. I'm paying for this. I'll scroll down. I'm paying for this. I'll scroll down. I'm paying for this. Just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. Just like so. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down right here and choose my means of payment. Like I said, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to use your WeChat for the payment of your order. So next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on here to select WeChat, just like so. Having selected the WeChat, next thing we want to do is to go ahead and proceed with the payment. But before we proceed, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba, Pinduoduo, IDFish, JD.com, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and click on here to proceed with the payment. Allow the WeChat Pay to connect. Then go ahead and enter my payment password to complete the payment. Just like so, payment done. Just like so, payment done successful. Next thing I'm going to do right here is to go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on back to vendor. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to go back to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, you can see the product I just paid for. It's going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So you can see it right here. And then go back to the profile again. This is the last one right here. It's that simple. Lastly, I'm going to exit from Pinduoduo right here, and I'll go back to my WhatsApp and send proof of payment to this owner of the goods. So back to my WhatsApp right here, and I'll go ahead and simply click on the attach, click on gallery, then select proof of payment and say payment done, and send. It's that simple. If this is exactly you want me to do for you, you want me to pay a supplier on Pinduoduo, 1688, Taoba, Haidu fees, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.